students, this is Dr. Manisha Verma and you're watching Inspired Mind Tutorials. मैंने आपको पिछली वीडियो में बताया था कि जनरल नॉलेज का जो सेक्शन है ऑल इंडिया सैनिक स्कूल एग्जामिनेशन का क्लास 6 का उसके क्या क्या सोल्यूशंस है। आई होप आप सबने अपने आंसर्स टैली कर लिए होंगे। अब मैं आपको इस वीडियो में सेक्शन ए जो कि इंग्लिश था उसके आंसर्स बताने वाली हूँ। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड, शेयर मी, लाइक मी एंड सब्सक्राइब मी। आपको ये इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियोस फ्यूचर में भी नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहे, इसके लिए आप बेल आइकन भी दबा दें। Let's discuss section C, that is let's discuss section A, English of All India Sainik School Examination 2022 class 6th. Well, this passage was given to you and based on this passage there were many questions asked. The passage is the 7 ancient wonders of the world. The ancient Greeks made a list of places that people should see. The list was named the 7 wonders of the world. Only one of the ancient wonders can be found today in Giza, which is in Egypt. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. It is one of the 3 great pyramids built around 2500 BC. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon are another ancient wonder. They are located on the banks of river Euphrates. This area is near Baghdad in Iraq. A king built his garden for his wife. The statue of Zeus were built in Olympia, Greece in 457 BC. This statue was built to honor the Greek god Zeus. The statue was as tall as a 4-story building. In addition to Zeus, the Greeks built another very big statue to honor the Greek sun god Helios. This wonder is known as Colossus of Rhodes, built around 550 BC. The temple of Artemis at Ephesus was considered the most beautiful structure on earth. Ephesus was an ancient city that was located in what is now Turkey. The mausoleum at Halicarnassus was also constructed in Turkey. The only wonder built for practical use was the Pharos of Alexandria. This was a lighthouse off the coast of Egypt. It was once the tallest building in the world. Now, based on this passage, which of the following statements is not true about the passage? Colossus of Rhodes was built to honor Helios? Yes. Then second option, Pharos of Alexandria was a lighthouse. The Great Pyramid of Giza was destroyed. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon were built by a king for his wife. The right answer is the Great Pyramid of Giza was destroyed. Then question number 2. Which of the 7 ancient wonders of the world was as tall as a 4-story building? The Great Pyramid of Giza, the statue of Zeus, the mausoleum of Halicarnassus, the Colossus of Rhodes. The answer is the statue of Zeus. Question number 3. What is the meaning of underlined word? The lighthouse at Halicarnassus. A kind of fabric, a country, building to guide the ships, a temple. The right answer is building to guide the ships. Question number 4. Fill in the blank with appropriate option. My mother advised me to stay dash home. In, at, on, for. The right answer is at. My mother advised me to stay at home. Fill in the blank with the appropriate article. Rakesh is dash excellent science teacher. And I, the, no article. The right answer is an. Rakesh is an excellent science teacher. Question number 6. Rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentences by choosing the correct sequence. Waved, she, greeted and cheerfully us. The right sentence is She waved and greeted us cheerfully. So the right option is fourth. Then fill in the blank with the correct option. It was a steep dash from the hilltop. The right answer is the descent. Option number 3. Then question number 8. Rearrange the following words or phrases to make meaningful sentence by choosing the correct sequence. Snowfall, heavy, the, everything, covered. The answer should be the heavy snowfall covered everything. That is option number 1 is the right answer. Question 9. A dash of soldiers marched into the battleground. You have to choose the correct noun. Here the correct noun is TROOP, troop. That is option number 3. Choose the correct pronoun. Is she the girl dash won the first prize? That, whom, which, who. The right answer is who. Is she the girl who won the first prize? Choose the correct question tag. You paid the bill dash. Won't you? Didn't you? Will you? Doesn't you? The right answer is didn't you. You paid the bill, didn't you? Identify the type of sentence. Mohan gave me a 10 rupee note. Now this is a declarative, imperative, exclamatory, interrogative. This is a declarative sentence. Choose the correct verb. The water dashed from the tap last night. Dripping, drip, dripped, will drip. The right answer is dripped. The water dripped from the tap last night. Choose the correct spellings of appointment. Now, if we see them carefully, the right answer is option number 4. Then we come to question number 15. Choose the word nearest in the meaning to the underlined word. There was a momentous moment in the cricket match. Insignificant, important, sudden, abrupt. The right answer is sudden. Question number 16. Choose the correct adjective. Yesterday was the dash day of our trip. Most worse, more worst, more worst, worser. So the right answer is worst. Okay. Then we come to question number 17. Choose the opposite of literate. Now opposite of literate is illiterate, unliterate, deliterate, misliterate. It is illiterate. Illiterate is the right answer. Choose the correct option, that is opposite of earlier. We have to choose the opposite of earlier. Former, previous, latter, later. The right answer is later. Earlier, later. Choose the option closest to the meaning of gigantic. Very small, very good, very bad, very big. The right answer is very big. Question number 20. Choose the correct option. A cobbler is a person who repairs taps, mends clothes, mends bulbs, repairs footwears. The right answer is repairs footwears. All my friends are good natured. As they say, birds of a feather dash together. Wink, click, flock, group. The right answer is flock. Seeing the wounded bird, she dashed her mother. She was calling, called, call, calling. The right answer is she called her mother. Identify the adverb. The doctor will see you later. Later, will, see, the. The right answer is later. Choose the incorrect pair. Knife, knives, woman, women, deer, deer, mouse, mouses. Mouse, mouses is the incorrect pair because mouse, mice is the correct pair. Fill in the blank with the correct conjunction. Manjeet cannot drive dash, he has a license. If, unless, although, yet. The right answer is unless. Manjeet cannot drive unless he has a license. So this finishes the part of English section A. I hope you people liked my video. Please like me, subscribe me and share me as much as possible, and also press the bell icon so that you receive the notification whenever my video is there. Thank you and have a good day.